Thanks for tuning in for another essential RC flight test. My friends at Banggood have sent me the Volantex Saber. Really fantastic that Volantex have now decided to do a 3D model. Kind of profile model, but obviously meant for 3D flying. Relatively small, fit on the back seat of a car. Needs a, well, I've put a 3S 1000 pack in it. I think they say 3S 1800, but 3S 1000 was quite snug in the bay in the front, and if it's light at the front it's going to be heavier at the back. Rear CG, good for 3D, so I'm going to give that a go. So in terms of putting the kit together, it is a kit. But the servos are all in place. You just have to connect up the control surfaces after you have put the horns into the control surfaces, which I've done. The most time-consuming part of the whole affair is putting the decals on, the stickers. That took almost the same time as putting the thing together. Not something I enjoy doing, but it wasn't too difficult. So it takes maybe takes about an hour and a half to finish it off, which isn't too bad. Then you put in your receiver and set it all up with your preferred throw settings and exponential and all that. So when I set up 3D models, I do them all the same way. I do the maximum throw on all the control surfaces and then use 3 position rates for 33%, 66% and 100%, and use 30% expo across all of those, so I get just a little bit of movement in the middle of the stick. So there we go. Let's give it a go, see how it flies. Knife edge is super easy. I got a little bit of glue on one of the axles, so one of the wheels isn't really moving very freely, so be very careful of that, and you have to use glue near the wheels to get these spats on. They provide the glue and a screwdriver and everything that you need, but just be careful when you're using that glue around the spats. Maybe even put a little bit of I don't know, oil or something on the axle so it won't bind. But otherwise, I quite enjoyed that. It's not a lot of money. Have a look at the price on banggood.com. The link is in the video description. Bear in mind, you get everything that you need, with the exception of your transmitter, the flight battery and your receiver. But otherwise, it takes about an hour and a half to put it together, including putting the decals on. And then you just set it up with your transmitter. So, job done. thanks for watching this one. Thanks for Jason on camera.
No problem.
And we'll see you for the next one.